Hello students, welcome to the next lecture. Standard 7, chapter number 5, lines and angles. Okay. First of all, before starting this chapter, okay, we remind our some topics like what is the meaning of line, line segment, ray, and angles. Okay. First of all, discuss about line. What is the meaning of line? This is your line known as line AB, which is extremely towards the infinity. Okay, which is move in both directions infinitely. Clear? So denoted by line AB, which is denoted by line AB. Now our next topic is line segment. Now this is your line segment, which is finite, and you can measure. But in the line you cannot measure because it is infinite, and this is finite. Suppose 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 100 meter, 1 kilometer. Okay, so line segment is finite statement, and it is denoted as PQ. Line segment PQ. Clear? Which is ends at P and Q. It does not extremely move. It is stop here. PQ. Clear? Next thing is ray. Next thing is ray. This is your ray. O point will not move this way, but from this way it is infinite. Okay, and it is denoted by where it move O2P. O2P. So denoted by ray OP. Denoted by ray OP. Clear? Understand? This is infinite and this is its symbol. This is finite and this is your symbol. This is ends at O and finite at P. It is denoted by ray AP. Okay? So this is we discuss our standard in 6th. So now we discuss it. What is angle? What is angle? Angle is when two line segment or line intersect and make a form angle. This is your angle ABC, denoted by angle ABC, denoted by angle ABC. Okay. So now we move towards our chapter and we discuss about some definition, important definitions, or always you remember. So now first definition is complementary angles. First definition is complementary angles. Your first definition is complementary angles. So now what is the meaning of complementary angles? If the sum of total of two angles is 90 degree, if the sum of two angles is 90 degree, it is known as complementary angles. They are known as complementary angles. Suppose example, if you have two angles, suppose 30 degree and 60 degree, make the sum of two. 30 plus 60 is equal to 90 degree. So 30 degree and 60 degree are complementary angles. And what is the meaning of complement? Complement. What is the meaning of complementary angles? Now, what is the meaning of complement? So now, the complement angle of 30 degree is 60 degree. Vice versa, the complement angle of 60 degree is 30 degree. Okay. So now, second we take an example. Suppose 50 degree and 40 degree. The sum of two angles will be 90 degree. 50 plus 40 is equal to 90 degree. And 50 degree and 40 degree are complement of each other. Simple. So now, the complementary angle, the sum of two angles is 90 degree, is known as complementary angles. Now, your second one. Supplementary angles. Now, supplementary angles. Just one thing twisted. The sum of two angles. The sum of two angles is 180 degree. What is the sum of two angles? Is 180 degree. They are known as supplementary angles. Suppose we take an example, 120 degree and 60 degree. Sum of 120 and 60 is equal to 180 degree. So now 120 degree and 60 degree are supplementary angles. Now what is the meaning of supplement? What is the meaning of supplement? 120 degree is supplement of 60 degree and 60 degree is supplement of 120 degree. So now 120 degree and 60 degree are supplement of each other. Clear? Take another example. Suppose 150 degree and 30. Both of are 180 degree. The sum of both angles is 180 degrees. Clear? Next thing is adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means बाजू बाजू वाले. Suppose this is angle 1, this is angle 2. Okay, angle 1 is here, angle 2 is here, but the common thing is in both angles one vertex will be common. One vertex will be common. Name it A, B, C, D. First angle is angle A, B, C, and second angle is CBD. So one vertex will be common. One vertex will be common, and one arm will be also common because it has BC ray and it has also BC ray. Clear? And next thing is the another pair is in opposite side. The another pair is in opposite side of same ring. So now first ring BA and second ray is BD, which is opposite to common ray. This way and this way. So these are adjacent angles. Another angle will be also adjacent. These are also adjacent angles. Okay. Next thing is linear pair. Next thing is linear pair. The definition is the sum of two adjacent angle. Okay, what I am saying, the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree. Okay, first of all, see the word. What is the meaning of the sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree? These are known as linear pairs. Okay, take an example. Okay, suppose this is and this angle are adjacent angle, बाजू बाजू वाले हैं बराबर, but sum of two angles will be 180 degree. These are adjacent angle, but the sum of two adjacent angles will be 180 degree. So this is known as your linear pair. So now we move here. This angle and this angle are adjacent, but the total of two angles will be 180 degree. Clear? Now the next thing is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Okay, if two lines are intersect, if two lines are intersect, suppose these two lines are intersect. So now this angle and this angle. This angle and this angle. Name it 1, 2, 3, 4. So now opposite angle, one angle and third angle. Angle 1 and angle 3. Angle 2 and angle 4. So now if two lines are intersect the opposite angles, which are known as vertically opposite angles, and the angles formed which is vertically opposite angles and are same. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So now these are same. Clear? Opposite angles and these are also same. Clear? Done.